Mundo made famous by Michael Jackson. So, atras din po eh. O,
Mahulog, mahulog. Mahulog.
And, tama na po, baka mahulog ka sa table mo. Alright, now guys, and this time, let's see his acting skill. Magaling kong umaki sa Apollo, folks. Pang-artistahin, parang si Carlo Dalisay, guys. Okay, now, Apollo, what do we do if you see a predator? Anong gagawin kung may agila? What do we do? Ay, good boy, Apollo. That is their natural reaction po. They're doing that in a while to fool their predators. Patay-batayan sila po. So, may one more ba namin? Apollo, may agila. Anong gagawin? Palapakan po natin si Apollo po. Sikat talaga Apollo. Okay. Alright. Okay, nandito pa tayo. Tapos, may next interview session tayo this afternoon. Apollo, interview kita. Interview session. Alright. Okay, activate siya guys. Dito tayo sa center. Apollo, sumunod ka na maayos, ha? Alright, now Apollo, look at Kuya Dexter. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Okay pa si Kuya Dexter, Apollo. Is he good looking? Okay pa si Kuya... Wow! Sana all. Siyempre, hindi din ako magpapahuligan. Now, how about... Apollo, how about me daw, boy? Look at me, am I good looking? Okay ba, Apollo? How about me? Am I good... Talaga, Apollo, napaka-bayos mo talaga ba? Pag si Kuya Dexter, pag sa akin hindi, siyempre babawi ka. Sino tumawa sa akin, Kuya Dexter? Malapit na. At si Ma'am, malapit tawag na sa akin. Ayan si Ma'am na naka-white na t-shirt. Alright, now Apollo, look at Ma'am. Look at her. Is she beautiful? Maganda ba si Ma'am Apollo? Ayun, naka-white. Look at her. Is she beautiful? Magandang pinwata. Namumula. Hindi ako muna, siyempre. How about sa lalaki? How about sir who wear black t-shirt? Alright, now. Apollo, look at sir. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Okay, look at sir. Is he good looking? Okay, this is it. Alright, okay. Pero pagdating sa akin to yung next step, hindi. Anong nangyari dyan? Kaya talaga, okay, one more time na lang daw. Please, boy, sige na, Apollo, look at me. Am I good looking? Pogi ba ako, Apollo? Sige na. One more time, please. Folks, palapakan na lang po natin sa Apollo, guys. Okay, no, Kuya Dexter, Apollo, uwi na kayo, Kuya. Kayo talaga, muli kayo talagang dalawa. Okay, ayan, never mind na lang, folks. Let's proceed na lang sa our next animal ambassador. Kapatid to ni Apollo. Now may I call on Jumbo.
Malaki ito.
Oo. Jumbo? Yeah. And there you go. Also, folks, that is Jumbo, our honor umbrella-crested crocodile. Now, guys, did you know the reason of global warming is due to air pollution coming from our transportation? And this afternoon, he will show us some alternative ways to lessen our carbon footprints. Reusing, hey! Are you ready, guys? Now, we are Cyril. Labas na natin. Ready na rin sila. Ding, 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 ding. Bicycle o Jumbo. Sakay.
Hello.
Sino pa kayo ba, eh? Wow, good boy. So, what's the kids out there? Or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle. Nothing to worry about po because we also have a scooter. Ay, kung dahil magbay, kaya di mag-scooter ka sa Jumbo sa tayo ulit pa dyan. O, minor. Para na. Good boy, Jumbo. Even our animals love help from Mother Nature. They can also help by doing reuse, recycle, and reform with some alternative ways for your transportation. And that's all for Jumbo, folks. Palakpakan po natin. Sila.